Hey everyone, I'm Abrojena with Academy Trained, and I'm here to talk about friction savers. So what I got here is two friction savers I'm going to show you. There's lots on the market, but I'm going to show you a fixed friction saver and an adjustable friction saver. I'm going to go ahead and start here with Edelrids, and they have an aluminum ring and ring. Obviously, blue's big, black is small. All right, and then they color code these here so you can see when you're down low what is what when you're trying to retrieve it. Okay, now you can see this flat webbing, which is really nice, that fits into unions and it keeps it stiff with the extra stitching down here. So when you're retrieving these, what happens is it's able to pick up the ring out of the union for retrieval, which makes it nice. Okay, what I like about these friction savers is they're very small and they're light, and they stow away really nice on your harness when you're not using them. And advancing up the tree to install. The disadvantage to these is the aluminum ring and ring. Okay, over time these do get beat up and there's a lot of friction and wear and tear on them, but still overall a great friction saver that I use on the daily. Okay, the next is this is a Teufelberger adjustable friction saver. What I really like about this is obviously the prusik to be able to advance this in areas that I can't reach. Okay, so if I need to go higher than where I'm at, I can throw it up high and set my line and be able to adjust it where I need it from down below and not have to get up into that union. Okay, the other advantage to this friction saver is that the structural integrity of this is rope that's within this ring. Okay, so it's not like it's an aluminum piece that gets beat up. It's basically, you know, rope with a surface area that the rope can run over. All right, so huge advantage. The next is the heavy stitching over here that you see is great for pulling it through tight unions. And you'll see right here as I come through here, that stitching actually picks up the ring and pops it right out. So you have less opportunity of getting your friction saver stuck in the tree, which happens to us quite a bit as tree care professionals. These are the two that I chose to pick. There's plenty on the market, but I would say for you guys out there, do your homework and test them out and see what works for you. I hope you guys got something out of this. Please visit us at academy-train.com, and we'll see you soon.